The last button on our home screen is Resources. Resources are configured by your organization and can include things like emergency procedures, how to connect with your security team, human resources, or other buildings that might be around your organization or campus. Emergency procedures can be anything from what to do in an earthquake, tornado, or evacuation. All of these resources are hard-coded to your device and can be accessed in the instance where you lose cell service or Wi-Fi. In the instance where we have Find Organization Buildings here, these are buildings that have been uploaded by your organization. So in this instance, if I wanted to navigate to the LiveSafe headquarters, I'd have the option to choose that here, and it would show me where it was located on the map. From here, I can select this arrow in the bottom right corner and choose to safe walk there or directions. Directions will open your default maps that you're using on your phone currently.